What's up guys, today I will tell you how to add your bank account to Kraken. So let's get started. So first what you need to do is open up the Kraken app on your phone or go to the website on your computer and log into your account. Then from the main menu you need to go to the transfer section right here. So now you can either choose deposit or withdraw depending on what you want to do. The process is similar for both, but for this example I will keep it at deposit. And then right here you want to select your fiat currency. So for me that will be euro, but you can also select USG BOP. Then here you select fund directly as the method, and for the payment method you want to select plate, which will connect to your bank. Then here you choose how much you want to deposit and click continue. Now here you can search for and choose your bank from the list like Revolut and confirm. Then just follow the steps to securely link your account, and that's how you add your bank account to Kraken. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.